welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back filming for you guys. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a sit-down video for you guys, but there's just a lot going on. But anyway, I wanted to quickly film this video because it's going to be my birthday in a couple of days. So by the time you see this, it's actually my birthday. I will publish it on my birthday. So I wanted to celebrate with you guys and do a little yarn giveaway, since I know you guys love yarn and I love giving stuff to you guys because you guys are amazing. And also I wanted to celebrate my 1K goal here on YouTube. You guys are so amazing. Thank you guys so much. It's been something that I have been working on for a while, and I know sometimes I'm slacking and I forget to publish tutorials and stuff for you guys, but I am working on doing that more often. Okay, so I just wanted to thank you guys for being a subscriber and helping me hit that goal, and also just a little something to celebrate my birthday. Okay, so I will show you what I'm going to be giving away for you this time. All right, so here I have 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 skeins of the Skein Tones by Lion Brand Yarn. And you guys, this is one of my favorite this is one of my favorite brands. My god, my brain went blank. Also, if you guys hear noises, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's super windy outside. It's like midnight. I know I'm recording this super late. Anyway, I hope you can't hear the wind. So Skein Tones. Okay, so this color is Coat Peachy, and I actually purchased these on Black Friday. It was like a Black Friday deal, I'm not sure, something like that. And I really wanted to make something with it, but currently I am actually designing something for summer, and I'm using another Lion Brand cotton yarn, and I don't think I'm gonna get to these as quickly as I would want to. So this is why I'm giving it to you guys. So anyways, I was really excited because the Skein Tones line was actually, I think it was made for people that do crochet dolls. So they would have like so they would have all these different skin tones, and you can see like the other colors here in the package. So I think this would be great for somebody that does crochet dolls, and even if it's not for dolls, you can use it for really anything that you want to. But I think it was specifically done to represent like different skin color. And they have many more colors on the line, but I just got 1 2 3 4 of their colors, and I'll show you. So this one is called Honey, and this is my favorite one, you guys. I hope I can get it later for like fall. Hopefully they still have it, because I really want to use this color. As you can see, I like this type of color. So yeah, and this one is the Adobe. So Honey Adobe. And then I showed you Peachy. Look how beautiful, perfect color palette. And then we have Ivory. Oops, there's like something on there. And then we have Ivory. So those are the 4 colors that I got, and they look super cute together. Amazing. And this, you get a second of the peachy color. Okay, so you get all of this. So yeah, whoever wins is going to get these 5 skeins. So, and as always, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and maybe comment which is your favorite color or what you would do with this yarn if you were the winner of this giveaway. And I also have to throw in disclaimers that this is a US only giveaway. I know, I'm sorry you guys, but shipping can get really expensive for international. And once I get more subs and I get more videos out there, I will eventually do a giveaway for international people as well. So yeah, so US only. I will put the rules in the description box so you guys can check that out. And let's see what else. If you're coming from Instagram, make sure to subscribe, and if you're only watching me here, make sure to go to Instagram because I'm there really often. I'm there all the time. So I will put my socials down there. And let's see, how long should we do this for? So by the time you watch this video, it's Thursday the 24th. So let's go to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then Sunday will be the last day to enter the giveaway. Okay, and then on Monday I will pick a winner, and then I will announce it here on YouTube in a separate video. Okay, thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos, and I will see you on my next tutorial, which is coming probably Friday or like the day after this giveaway, I'm hoping. Okay, so thank you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.